Yes, there's something that I want us to understand. Now, the federal government, Tinubu government, they went to Benin Republic to rescue Benin Republic presidents. And I was like, yes, it's good to do that because I gotta accept it cool. They accept it. Because to me, we believe the military that to democracy. We know that our leaders are so bad. Most of them they are bad. They don't want us to grow. They are selfish. They just want that Nigerian money. That's all. And even in Benin Republic, there's a lot of corruption in West Africa, in Africa generally, because of our leaders, selfish interest. But if President Tinubu military can do that, what is stopping them in defeating bandits and Boko Haram? That means they know what to do. Oh, confession. There's a lot of things going on that our leaders know about these terrorist bandits. And for your information, Mr. President, I'm going to play that one video now. Bandits are ready for your Air Force. They are ready because now they have rockets to destroy any aircraft. Destroy one. They are also ready because the reason why they are having all this ammunition is because of the negotiation. Is because to me, I still don't believe how they are getting that ammunition and equipment. Let me play one video. See this video. Video you see is showing that any whether that's going down. The rocket, I don't know maybe it's rocket, but you know that other will destroy any aircraft. And they are ready. They are ready.
Baba amana ibilo kun samu kahira bindiga wallahi nan kun samu kahira bindiga kuma na ga biyan da yawa wanda sako za ku ba to dauda shi yanzu wani abun nan za ku mai.
So firstly, where are they getting money to buy all this ammunition? If government are not negotiating with these people, because recently we heard that the government rescue 100 school from that Niger or something. Yes, out of about 300 and something children that they kidnap, they rescue 100 without arresting bandits. Why are we deceiving ourselves in this country? So to me, it's obvious that they negotiate, and if you negotiate, you have to negotiate with something. You have to negotiate with something. So it's obvious that this is where these guys are generating their money. Yes, this ordinary citizen are also negotiating, because to me, I can't say one day we call the family missing my loan me balẹ̀ but government to read. But most of the people that criticize, they don't criticize in a way that people will understand what is really going on. They only criticize because they hate someone that is there as president. Is it Tinubu that created this problem? No. To start reality to one ground here. But he has power to overcome them. What is really the problem? Why is it difficult for Jonathan to defeat them? Why is it difficult for Obasanjo, for Buhari, who is military general, to defeat them? So if 6 years of Jonathan and 8 years of Buhari cannot defeat these bandits, and meanwhile Obasanjo is behind Jonathan about 2 years or 3 years of his administration, he's supposed to give him advice how to defeat these bandits. They couldn't achieve it then. Buhari came in, former general, he couldn't achieve it, and you want Tinubu is civilian, just 2 years or 3 years to defeat them. It's not possible. It's strategy. But we need to continue complaining because Nigerian is getting down, bleeding day by day. Nigeria is bleeding day by day. If federal government can achieve that, everybody will praise them. At least a lot of people praise them for going to Benin Republic to rescue the president there. If they can do that within 5 hours, why can't they stop all these terrorists and bandits disgracing Nigeria here and there, showcasing money, showcasing equipment, showcasing ammunition, and the federal government couldn't do anything? So to me, I think that giving them money, we are empowering them. And I want federal government not to stop giving them money. Try to secure your country. And those people who is financing these people, we heard that it's from the United States, we heard that it's from China. So federal government need to do a lot. But to me, I know one thing for sure, that the leaders in the north, the northerners, they know a lot, mostly all their governors, because they know all these bandits. They know the leaders of bandits and Boko Haram. They know how they can talk to them. So a lot of things is going on that is difficult for federal government to come out and say. So President Tinubu, you beg to be the president of this country. You said you can do it. And I personally, I trust you. I know you can. Please, I don't think it's difficult for you to name those people who is financing these terrorists. Because their name is already with you. You know them. The federal government know them. The DSS know these people. Why is it difficult for our leaders to name them? Dubai government, they have over 400 something names. Who is financing them? Up to date, it's still difficult for federal government to announce that name. Why? Many generals has come out and said that they have those people who's financing them, and they know these people. I was just shaking my head when the Iowa Leaders Forum saying that they should give them amnesty as they give a Niger Delta. What are they producing? What are they producing? When Niger Delta was fighting for their rights, did they come to Kano State, or did they come to Niger, or did they come to Jigawa? They only stay in their state and say that they don't want anybody in their state. So to me, I support them because federal government did not do nothing for them. And most of the money we are generating from Niger Delta, most of the money we are generating in this country is from Niger Delta. It's from oil. So they're supposed to give them special treatment from getting revenue from their state. So now the leaders of the north now clamor and saying that, oh, they need to give them amnesty as they give the Niger Delta. I think that one is very wrong. And Tinubu should not do that. Bandits and Boko Haram, they are enemy of this country. So President Tinubu, they are ready for your Air Force. You can see all their ammunition. But I think the best way you can stop these people is by you need to stop negotiating with them with money. I will say much than this. My name is Legujo Eyemi.